Namaste. I'm Rahul Kumar. As a PSU employee, you enjoy stability. But have you considered the financial impact of an accident? Daily commutes in India carry risks. With 1.5 lakh road accident deaths annually, an accident causes to 25 lakh rupees medical expenses for fractures and 12 months income loss, straining family finances. That's why accident and disability insurance is crucial for financial safety. It provides injury cover with lump sum payouts of 25,000 to 1 lakh rupees for fractures, 100 plus types. Disability cover ensures monthly income, e.g. 10,000 rupees for 10 lakh during disability. And for accidental death, family receives 10 to 50 lakh rupees tax-free, securing future. This insurance acts as a financial safety system, protecting income, savings, family well-being. Don't leave your future to chance. Secure your peace of mind today. Visit supedia.com for more information and tailored plans.